In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zendesk. In order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com and you should be able to see this part. Into this, just proceed to enter right here your work email and then click on this try for free in order to actually log in or sign up. Now, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click on the sign in option that we can see right here. Now, here is my actual Zendesk. So into this part, let's proceed to add a signature. So how can we do that? To do it, what you can do is you first need to head over right here to your dashboard and then click on your user icon on the upper right corner. This is that. And once you have done this, next thing you need to do is to just head over and then view your profile by clicking onto this option. Now into your profile page, you should be able to find right here your actual options for this case. You can see the roles as well as administrator, and in here you can see the signature option. So as you can see, we don't have a signature yet. So let's try to add it. Click on this right here and then input right here email signature added to public ticket comments. So for example, let's put right here this particular signature, which is our name. Then after that, proceed to save the changes that you have made. As you can see, it's auto-saved right there. So you have no worries since it will be added or it will be synced already into this part. You can also just change the options that we have right here. You can see the tickets, as well as signatures, agent forwarding, and everything that we can actually utilize into this part. So once you're done, you can proceed to use it as your own. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, you can comment them down below on the comment section and we will try our best to answer to your question.